You want me to repeat what I said, or can I continue?
Please go on.
Number two, did the captain or did Mr. Sidhu call you and tell you publicly, officially, on record, they are irritated?
No, 1 minute. Mr. Sidhu, Pawan Khera, you might recall Mr. Sidhu last week, went on a number of channels, including local Punjabi channels, attacking the government of which he's been a part.
And I have spoken to the people closest to Captain Amrinder Singh who've said in no uncertain terms that they're very upset with the manner in which Navjot Singh Sidhu is speaking against the captain publicly.
More than the captain and Mr. Sidhu, I see two people very irritated here. Now, please let me finish my sentence. I haven't been able to finish one line of argument because either Rahul or Rajdeep will have something to interrupt me with. Please let me finish. That's a request. Thank you. Did Mr. Sidhu say he's irritated with the Congress? Did he say he's irritated with the Congress leadership in Delhi? So, in a democracy, now let me finish my line of argument. In a democracy, people have a right to know with reasonable restrictions what's going on in the political party which is ruling them or which seeks to rule them. Nothing wrong in going public as far as Mr. Sidhu is concerned or anyone is concerned. People have, as I said, and I repeat, with reasonable restrictions, people have a right. Do you know 265 MLAs of Uttar Pradesh wrote against Yogi Adityanath? Do you know the sitting ministers of Karnataka have written and spoken out openly, publicly against Yediyurappa?
We've done lots of stories. We've done lots of coverage on the problems in the BJP in Karnataka.
I haven't finished my argument. I haven't finished my argument. I'm just saying people have a right to know what's happening in the internal functioning of a party. Democracy is not just what's happening in the government. Democracy also means what's happening within a party. And I'm glad my party is fairly transparent in what happens in Rajasthan, what happens in Punjab, what happens
I hope
in Delhi.
you've completed now, and I must say, Pawan Khera is a good spokesperson. He's amongst the best the Congress has. But none of his bluster on television makes up for the fact that there is a huge fight between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. There is no love lost between these two gentlemen. And Rashid Kidwai, he didn't trust our sources. You know, you've written books on the Congress. You understand the party about as well as anyone else does. Is there a fight? Pawan Khera is telling our viewers, sab changa si, no problem. Rahul and Rajdeep are making up this story. Is that true? Why did Navjot Singh Sidhu come to Delhi? Why did Rahul Gandhi not meet him? Why did Sidhu announce he's meeting the Gandhis if he hadn't got time?
I think, Rahul, first and foremost, there is a war of attrition that is going on between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Sidhu. It's very evident. Gandhis have a personal equation. Sonia Gandhi has a personal equation with Captain Amrinder Singh. Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi have personal equation with Navjot Sidhu. But they don't want to color this personal equation into politics. The Congress game plan is very simple. They want to win this election. Captain Amrinder Singh, is a present chief minister. As the committee report that Rajdeep referred to, refers that, Sidhu has a future. Sidhu has mass appeal. The Congress mandate is very simple. They want Sidhu and Captain to come together, to at least fight this election together. There is Aam Aadmi Party which is making some kind of overtures towards Sidhu. Would Sidhu blink? So I think for once Rahul Gandhi's strategy is right in waiting for what he had famously said, that patience and time are the two greatest warriors. So he's just counting on that. Remember, it's still we haven't finished June, elections is in February. So there's still time. Let it unfold. We can't jump to any conclusion.
No, but let what unfold? As this bickering continues publicly, there is more and more bad blood. You know Sidhu's personality, you know Captain's personality. It's almost impossible for these two gents to work together.
So one of them will blink.
No, one of them could swim outside if Captain Amrinder Singh is threatened or jeopardized. He has said privately and indicated publicly that he may even consider setting up his own party. And if Sidhu joins Raghav Chadda's party, Raghav Chadda will have a hard time controlling him. But more importantly, Punjab will then be in play. You'll have a full-fledged battle between AAP and Congress in a state where the Congress had the lead so far.
Rahul, political leadership cannot be blackmailed in this manner that, someone would join this party or that party. The Congress has to stand by what it is.
Raghav Chadda, are you in